Hi friends and welcome to another video. In this video we'll see that how we can go live or we can broadcast in a professional way with the help of OBS on Facebook or YouTube. So we are going to start right now. If it's your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and also leave the bell notification on. First split it into the studio mode, then jump into the settings. In general tab you can see here is a theme option there that you can keep it dark but I'm keeping it as default. So here you can see that some check boxes are there that check updates automatically. The time you're going to start streaming, it should notify you. The time you're going to cut it off, it will tell you. Or you should automatically record your live streaming, that later if you want to upload on your Facebook page or the YouTube channel, so you can click this one. So but the main purpose of this thing, let's go to the output settings. Here you can see by default the bitrate is 2500. First you need to check your internet bandwidth, whether it can support the 2500 megabits per second or it's less. So you can take the middle one, the between, whether that one is not supposed to be too high, so your most of the viewers they're not able to watch your live streaming because of the high quality and they're having the low quality internet. So you are having the high speed internet, so you can broadcast up to 4000 megabits per second, even more than that. But your most of the viewers, if they have slower internet, then they are not able to reach to your broadcast. So it's better for you to take a middle way, so your viewers they can also easily reach to you. So I'm just taking 1500 megabits per second. Then encoder, I'm leaving it on the software by default. Then audio, I'm taking 96. And then if you want to record your live streaming, so here is the all place that you want to record into the high quality, same as your live streaming is going on. You can select from here one, and then the file format. I personally recommend the MP4 format, because most of the editors, they are very friendly with MP4 format, so they will be very happy with that. So then I'm also leaving it on with the software. This is the basic setting which you have to do. Then come to the video section. Here you can see the two things here. One is this is the frame resolution which is showing you right now, which your monitor is having resolution, and this is the output resolution. If you like to change it, you can change it in which resolution you want to do your live streaming. You can change it from here. Then the color selection, you can change it from here. And then the frame rate, that how much frame you want to transmit in 1 second, like 10, 20, 24, 29, whatever it is. So according to your need, but I'm taking 21, which is quite standard. So here our basic settings is done. Now we need, like you see, both places are blank, so we need to add some stuff here. First let's take a video which will play into the background. Okay, so I'm going to take let's play this video.
Hi friend, and welcome to another video. In this video we'll see that
I'm just closing the volume. I'm back to my OBS studio. I need to add a game capture here. Okay, I'm just giving the name as VLC. Here I need to capture a specific window. So in specific window I'm going to select the VLC media player. VLC is here. Click OK. Simply you can see it's a small space empty here. You can just simply drag, and the time it's fitted to the screen, so you can just simply, it's very easy, just drag and drop thing. Then next I need to add audio. If I'm having a microphone, I can also add a microphone from here to here. Like I'm just going to add a microphone here. I'm using the USB microphone I'm using right now with the camera, so I'm using this microphone. Then I also need to add some filters into the microphone, like noise cancellation and some other stuff. I just add these two filters here into the audio track, so the time I'm streaming, so my voice should not be too much noise in it, so it will automatically clear that. But you see this place is still blank. We are working here, so we are adjusting everything. Now I want to see my output, that how my output will be looks like, because you can see only two audio track here. So I can just click on it here, so, and you can see the third audio track is also here. I'm just going to mute this thing, and I'm using this audio track here, and you can see whatever is playing here, it's also transmitting here. Now we need to add a logo for our page. For that, I'm just going to select a single image. I'm just taking this one, wake and smell inspiration. Just click on it. Okay, you can see here, it's right here at this corner. I can drag it and make it small. Then let's also add a text here. Please subscribe. I write here. Now I can jump here and I can select the font, in which font I want to. I like the Time New Roman, and then from here I'm taking 150. Then I also want to underline. Okay, so this is the appearance of it. Now I want to change the color of my this, so I'm just putting into the black, and from here I will drag it down from here, and I'll hold it from one side and make it small long the way I like it. I come here, I want this one, so it's supposed to run here in the bottom, so it should not be appeared like every time. So I'm just going to apply a filter here. So I'm adding a filter here for scroll. Okay, you can see here the scrolling speed. I'm taking the 200. Okay, but you can see it's scrolling in the same place. Let's go to the properties and add some space here, so you can see that the difference is also, the distance is appearing between that. Okay, but you can see this subscription is coming at our logo. So it's very simple, we just take the logo and carry it to the top. Now you will see the time it will reach here, it will go under the logo. You see, it went behind. So sequence, the thing which is at the top, that thing that's mean is at the top. So if you want to add a video capturing device, you can also add a video capturing device. You can add just simply video capturing device, click OK, and then from here you can select the camera, the one which you want. Like you can see this camera here. You can also bring that camera to this corner. You can bring it down. You can also set this thing here. Last thing we have to do, nothing is, you can see, appearing here except the video. No camera is appearing here and no logo is here. Nothing is here unless or until we press this button here, then everything will be come on this side. So now this thing is ready to stream. The time we click here, start streaming, so this will be the output. So we can adjust everything here, and then we can click start streaming, so it will jump on this side. Now one last thing is left, that is a media source. In media source you can work with a lot of stuff, like you can add a file with the introduction. You can add an introduction file, you can add the end screen file. Like right now I'm taking the end screen. When I finish, I want to play this thing at the end screen, so I'm just keeping it deactivate. So because the other stuff which I'm doing the changing, and I'm just pressing this button, so everything is going as it is. But the time I activate it and I want to close my streaming, so I will just say goodbye, and then I will press this button. And you can see everything is appearing here, and it's finished. If you have any other advice or any better solution, please let me know into the comments below. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and also please subscribe the channel. And thank you so much.